Want to add blue notes on Instagram? You can easily create a blue note with a kiss emoji using just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to add blue notes on Instagram. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen to go to your profile. At the top of your profile, you'll see your profile picture and a note option above it. Just tap on Note. A new screen will appear, and in the Note text field, type a short message. To make your note blue with a kiss emoji, include words like sabrina, taste, espresso, or nonsense in your message. After you've typed your message, tap the Share button to post your note. Once shared, your note's background will change to blue, and a kiss emoji will appear at the top. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.